I am Thibault Renaux for the Belgian group Jolrucide, one of the main European independent manufacturers of cold-formed steel profile, and I will present you a design method for assembled profiles on support developed during GRISP project. This lecture starts with a reminder of common application of cold-formed steel profiles and flat roof and presents typical problems for which engineers and installers must find solution. In addition, the situation of actual Eurocode and national standards regarding the design of such product is presented. After showing the test campaign carried out during GRISP project on different types of assemblies, the conclusions of these studies and the detail of calculation methods will be exposed. The objective of this lecture is to present you step by step all the developed design procedure in order to show you the benefits comparatively to a reference case and the difference between various types of assemblies.